Good morning. What's up? Happy Friday. Finally, right? Wow, today we are here once again at work. We're trying to see, we're trying to get our watertight test paper to fill out. We're gonna go check if we find Bodie. Don't tell my boss, but I always take this ones from him. I guess once you're a boss, you could come up here. Thankfully, I'm not a boss or anything, but I'm just waiting on Bodie. But for the meantime, I just came out here real quick. Man, they got a nice view here at the office for sure. That's right, we got Bodie here. Say what's up to the YouTube channel.
Happy Friday.
There you go. We got all the watertight test figured out, so we're all good. All right. All right, we're just leaving the office. We should be in the job site pretty soon. All right. Okay. Back to the job site. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna try to see if I could take that asphalt out today, but let's go check on the guys. It's almost break time. Buenos días, Alvarito, ¿cómo estás?
Días. Bien, aquí andamos, mira.
Otro día, mira.
Trabajando.
Morning, Eliseo, how you doing?
Bien.
Pretty good?
Un espanto hace rato, pero se derrumbó. Se estaba enterrando.
Nah, pero lo bueno que you're good. So today, what's the goal?
Compacting. Ahí está la compactor. Echar tierra.
Yep, just backfill. All we're gonna be able to see are those two lids, and everything else is gonna be flat. All right, well, the machine's supposed to be on its way, and that should help us out. We'll see how it goes. And also we gotta deal with the asphalt over there too, right? That's another one. So alrighty, well, it's almost break time, so that's good. Ahí llegó, ¿cómo está? Un saludo a la cámara.
Ay. ¿Para el TikTok o qué?
Es todo para el TikTok. Es todo, mira la nueva máquina.
Camaradas están bien guapos.
Ándale. Ahí sí, mira. Mira, no, pues. Ahí tenemos al Liceo, es todo. Ready? All right, here we go. Ándale, es todo, mira. That's right, nuestro operator. Nuestro operador de Washington.
Ajá. Directo de Washington.
Ahí vamos. Okay, so we're missing the key. Probably Liceo has it. Let's go ask him. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab the trailer. That way we could just load up the asphalt and just take it on one trip. So I'll be back to the job site in a bit. So trip out at my boss's locks. Do we really need 5 locks? We made it back to the job site. Liceo's gonna come out and help us out. I'm trying to park this truck and trailer on this side. I'm not sure if I fit, but I'm gonna see if I can. Eliseo's telling us that he's about halfway done in less than an hour. Let's go check it out. Oh, dang. Look at that. No, esa máquina. No, sin esa maquinita estuvieran llorando ahorita. Estuvieran llorando. ¿No van a agarrar lonche? No, esa maquinista no da nada de breaks, híjole. No, ese maquinista. Siempre son los maquinistas los que no paran.
Es que es maquinista.
No, pues. Sí. Mira, y hasta trae otra pala. Mira. No, ese gallo puede trabajar derechito. Mira. Mira. No lunch? No lunch? Hay que dejar ese gallo allí en la máquina.
Bueno, vamos pues.
Que tome diésel él, nada más.
Ah, sí pues.
No, nosotros somos humanos, pues. Ya le dio frío after lunch. Sí. Alvaro got cold.
Está cayendo nieve.
Yeah, it did get pretty cloudy. I don't know where.
Sí va a llover, Chuy, al ratito.
Oh, yeah?
Sí.
Sí que llueve.
Wow. right, let's go. Let's go to the dump and unload this. We're back again. Wow. Se llevó todo el...
¿Sí? Toda la tierrita.
¿Toda la tierrita se llevó?
Sí.
No, pues, ¿tú crees? Y me quería llevar...
Que nos va a hacer falta.
What? Okay, it's time to take the little machine back. We're pretty much done for the day. All I gotta do is return it back and that's it. Happy Friday. There we go, Alicia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to your machine. Looking like it's getting there. We got Alvarito right here. Yeah. Todo su trabajo de Alvarito del día de hoy. Toda la energy. Ya quedó aquí el septic tank. Yep. Like if nothing happened. We got the clean out right here. Yep. Yep. So next week is another day. Alright. Ok, Alvarito. Ahí estamos, el lunes. Alright. Que tengas buen fin de semana.
Igualmente.
¿Quieres saludar a todos los seguidores?
Sí, pues gracias por vernos. Aunque no estamos tan bonitos.
Ok.
Sí. Dale pues, ahí se cuidan.
Alright. Have a good weekend, Eliseo.
Yeah. You too, y a todos los seguidores también.
There you go. Un saludo de Eliseo. Alright guys, let's get going. Well, it was a great week. We got work done. You guys saw all the steps we kinda did. Thankfully it's already a Friday. You know, the guys are gonna have a good weekend. I'm gonna have a good weekend. So I hope you guys all have a good weekend. So we'll be back here Monday. Monday we're gonna start working on that other tank right there by what's it called, the concrete one, pretty much. Yeah, so pretty much we'll see how it goes. We gotta get all those permits, everything's marked up thankfully, but you know, until next week. All right guys, peace.